What's good, fam? Today is a new day, and today I am gonna be finishing up the work that I did yesterday. I'm gonna try to install these spindles. So these spindles I got from my boy from Philly, the one with the hardest LS400 UCF 20. These cut and angled spindles, I believe they've been dropped an inch, and they also angle at -5. But yeah, alright y'all, so now I'm just doing the driver's side. I initially had the fender on, but I took it off just to have better clearance and better visibility. But now I'm just getting the brake caliper off. Side note, when you do take off the caliper, I recommend putting like a little jack or bungee cord. Got that bit on. Got that bit on. Now we got that joint off. The two bolts on the bottom, two 17mm bolts on the bottom, the row center adjusters. If you're wondering, if I haven't already explained it already, in order to get that off, that castle nut off, which is a 17mm bolt as well, I recommend getting like a heavy ass hammer. So yeah, this is what I use to get that off. And so to hammer it, there's gonna be like two little bulky flat sides on the side. You just hammer it as hard as you can, and it will just pop loose. The row center adjuster bolt. And once you get all those bolts off, including the brake line loose, you just want to take that out, and then it should just break free. It's heavy.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Like how big that stuff is, and then how small it is.
And you want to get your screwdriver, and to take the rotor off, you just take these two little screws out. Crazy, you know? Every freaking bolt on the car has like some big ass 17mm bolt, and the thing that's holding the rotor is just like these simple Phillips head screwdriver bolts. And once you get those out, just take the rotor out, set it to the side, and you start to, you know, install all your stuff. But yeah, let's compare these two. So here on your left, I have the shortened and tilted spindle, and here to the right I have the stock spindle. So the shortened spindle is supposedly shortened, I believe, 1 inch, and also cambered or angled at -5 degrees. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And compared to this one, you know, it's a fucking prehistoric creature. I guess I could just sell that. Alright, now we could put the fucking caliper on. And we could get the fuck. Oh shit. This girl.
What?
What's up, fam? So I'm gonna close out this video because I didn't make an outro for it. So but yeah, throughout that video I just basically installed the spindles, and yeah, just installed the spindles. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it was informative. I tried to film it as best as I can, but there were a couple kinks throughout the way and I always forget to film whatever I do. But yeah, so the spindles are installed. The car, I actually measured how many degrees of camber it gave me, and it gave me -5, which was spot on. And the spindles are also cut an inch. So future updates, I do have my Serial 9 control arms on the way. My front upper control arms, they should come on Monday. And my rear upper control arm should be coming 2 weeks from now, or somewhere around that time frame. And I should make a video for that as well. But I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and be ready for more videos. So peace.